Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this fallish makeup look, then please keep watching. Today I'm going to do a full face makeup tutorial. I was actually busy filming and my camera just randomly shut down, and I had my whole face and my whole base and everything, so I'm refilming now. I had to take it all off. Okay, I am filming in my bedroom and not in my camera room or my video room because I am booked off from work sick, and there's a breeze that gets in there and it's very cold, and I don't want to get sick even more. So that's why I'm filming in my bedroom. I'm using my Huawei P20 Pro phone because I don't have a very large beauty vanity, and there's not going to be enough space for my mirrors and my tripod and the whole Canon camera. So I have an LED mirror that I had custom made, so I'm using that lights. I don't have a very pretty background, sorry, that it's in front of my shoe rail that's not very tidy. Sorry. Let's get started.
Okay, from here on out I will be doing a voiceover because something went terribly wrong with the voice in the video. You see my nails. Sorry, it's my beautiful nail technician, Avanay Ernst. You can look her up on Facebook if you live anywhere near the Randfontein or Krugersdorp area in South Africa, and she is very, very talented, so please look her up and make a booking. I'll be using a cotton pad as well as the Rooibos toner to get the excess dirt off of my face and to clean my face thoroughly before going in with any product on my face. Then I will be going in with the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer to prime my face. Then I'm going in with the Catrice Cosmetics 24-hour Make to Stay Makeup Foundation in the color Porcelain. I'm going to put the foundation on a damp beauty sponge. This is the Morphe beauty sponge, and I'm going to dab that into my face until it's all blended. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Espresso to contour. I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm going to put a generous amount on it, and I'm just going to do dots on my face so that it isn't as intense as in the previous video. So 1-2 dots on the cheeks, a few dots on the forehead, down my nose, on the cupid's bow. Then I'm going to use a brush like this with soft bristles. It was clean before I had to restart the video again to blend in my contour. Then I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain and a flat brush because it makes it easier to blend in the concealer. I'm going to put the concealer on my under eye area, my nose, my forehead. I'm going to draw stripes underneath the contour to nicen it up a bit, as well as on my chin. Now I'm going to use my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to blend in all of that concealer until my face is evenly blended.
Now that I'm done blending in my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. But I'll show you how I do my eyebrows. Please don't judge. It's not going to look pretty. I use the Morphe Brow 8 palette. It looks like this. And I am taking this light shade to do my eyebrows. I promised you guys that in the next video, this video, that my eyebrows will be trimmed. Can you see they are trimmed, honey? They are trimmed. I'm using a small brush and I'm using the waxy side and then the concealer. The waxy side I'm using to set my eyebrows, and then the concealer I'm using to define it so that they don't look so in your face. Okay, this is the best they're gonna look. I really want to go for microblading, but I still have to convince my fiance because at this moment he's not very keen on me doing that. Next, I'm going to take my Airspun powder in the color translucent and I'm going to set that under eye concealer so that it does not go anywhere. Then I'm going to use the transparent Rimmel face powder, beauty sponge, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. I used to do my eyes first and then my foundation, and then I switched it up again. I don't know why. It's easy to do your eyes first because when your eyes are a mess, you can just wipe them off and do them again without messing up your whole foundation. Then I'm going in with my NYX contour kit. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit, and I'm going to use this shade to contour and bronze up my face. I really need to get a new one. I use this every day. I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette for the eye. I'm going to use the color Silk Cream in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to put that on my crease area. Not crease area, transition area. Sorry, I zoomed you guys in a little bit, so now I'm all up in your face. Now I'm taking the color Butter in her palette just to put in the crease area. And also on my lower lid. Then I'm picking up the Morphe 350S palette and I'm going to use this gorgeous shade right there. I'm putting that shade on my lid. Then I'm going back in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette and I'm going to use the color Chip just to define the crease a little bit more. Taking that same shade and putting it on my lower lash line just to define the eyes a little bit more. I literally stabbed myself in the eye. Like, really. And I'm just going to blend it. I'm going to use the color in Light from Jaclyn's palette to highlight my brow bone. I'm using the Morphe M217 angled liner brush as well as the Morphe gel eyeliner in the color Slate, and I'm going to use that to do my waterline. I'm going to attempt a wing liner using the Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liner, liquid eyeliner in black. And I cannot do a wing liner without doing this trick. So you use anything with a flat surface, and you put the eyeliner on there. Make sure it's not too wet because the Wet n Wild smudges. Okay, and then you just press it on your face. Because if I do not do that, I do not get my angles right, and I look like this one goes like this and this one goes like this. No, it's not flattering. Now I'm going to attempt to finish the wing liner. Okay, wait till it dries because it will transfer to your lid. Okay, that is the best it's gonna get for now. I've very blonde eyelashes, so it looks like I skipped a space there, but I didn't. My eyeliner needs training. I know. Next, I'm going in with the MAC mascara from Avon in black, and I'm going to apply that to my top lash and bottom lash. Lashes, I've got 2. I do not have false lashes as yet, and I will get some because I really want to try them. Now that I've coated my top and bottom lashes with mascara, I'm going in with blush. I'm going to use the Essence Wake Up Spring Blush in the color Hello Sunshine. I'm going to use the angle, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks and blend it backwards. They have a little bit of a shimmer in them, which I like. Then I'm going in with back with the color in light in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighter in shade Precious Petals. I'm going to use a brush like this to highlight. I really love the Wet n Wild highlighters because they are very pigmented. And my Cupid's bow, my chin, and all that jazz. For lipstick, I'm going to use the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the color Bumble. This is the final result. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.